Hello everybody, how are you? I am introducing bestseller products in automotive. Product number 1, cleaning gel for car cleaning kit, universal detailing, automotive dust, car, Crevice cleaner, auto air vent, interior detail removal, Putty cleaning keyboard. Product number 2, Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy Full Synthetic Motor Oil OW25 Quart. Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy Full Synthetic Motor Oil OW25 Quart. Product number 3, HOTOR trash can with lid and storage pockets, 100% leak proof, organizer, waterproof, garbage can, multi-purpose trash bin for car, black. Product number 4, Magnelex car windshield sunshade with bonus steering wheel cover, sunshade reflective polyester blocks, heat and sun, foldable sun shield that keeps. Product number 5, Rain X 810165 Latitude 2-in-1 water repellent wiper blades, 22-inch windshield wipers, pack of 2 automotive replacement windshield wiper blades. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscription button and press the bell icon and check out the description to find the product links.